Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of this ATEC premium memory. So there's 4 memory slots on the back of an iMac. I have the 27-inch 2020 iMac, and it only has 8 gigabytes of memory, and it is super slow. And with all the video work that I'm doing, it caused a problem. So what I've done is I removed the power cord, laid this face down. You press a little button, and off pops the door for the memory card. You pull these out here, and then I open the memory up here. And I guess it's important that you get the right orientation. And I've never done this before. And so we are going to see, I'm going to pull the first one out here. And they say when you pull it out to make sure that it's set the same. And so now I'm going to take my first one here and pull this one out, and it actually goes backwards from where that is, and it looks like they all do. And I'm going to slide that one in. So I'm taking this from 8 gigabytes of memory all the way to 128, and if you do this through Apple, there's the second one. If you do this through Apple, it is $2,600 on their website. But if you order these, then it is only about $340, $50, something in there. And let me see, flip these around, huge price difference. And slide that one in. And then the fourth one. And it is really quite simple. And then all I do is press that and they lock down. I'm going to remove these here. And then the orientation of the door, I think the directions are supposed to be down. Let me see if this fits. That's it. I'm going to plug it back in now. And in a few minutes, I'll let you know the difference. Wow. The difference here is incredible. I went from literally 8 gigabytes to 128, and my iMac is now lightning fast again. It's amazing. And if you got any value out of this, hit that thumbs up. One other thing, I read this somewhere and it happened to me. When you go to power it on, it doesn't turn on for a minute or two, and you start to worry, did I do something wrong? But I had read that somewhere. After I hit the power button, it took about 2 minutes before it actually started up, but I had read that's normal, and overall, I am so happy with the difference. It's gonna make this computer much more usable.